You're looking at the Retro Metro fold over in teal mod dot, and this is huge. It's kind of like what I like to call the Retro Metro on steroids. The strap is adjustable, so I can literally make it go all the way down to my knees or bring it up a little bit. It just depends on how you want to wear it. I usually just do crossbody because I like to be hands-free when I'm out and about with my son. And then you can also tuck this big strap in. We've got two very large pockets on the outside. These pockets go all the way down to the bottom of the bag. But anyway, you can tuck that strap in and then use this just as an over-the-shoulder bag. And it also comes in one of our brand new prints, Navy Wave. Everything in our Retro Metro line can just be thrown into the wash with some cold water, and then you just lay it flat to dry. I've used mine for a year and have washed it about 3 times. It does have a zipper on the inside, and it's a pretty deep and wide pocket. And then if you need some more storage on the inside, you can get a coordinating zipper pouch or a mini zipper pouch to throw all of your things into. So this is a very large tote, the Retro Metro fold over.